welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Fifi and welcome to the family. So guys, as you've seen by the title, today I'll be trying to cook githeri. And I know some of you are like, mimi nipike githeri tena, nilikula sana high school. So before we get into the cooking, first of all, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, and because right here, I mean, we do great things, right? We are fun people. So join us, join this amazing Fifi family, huh? So guys, here is my githeri. I bought it last night. Nikaeka kwa fridge. It's boiled already. For those who don't know what githeri is, it's a mixture of maize and beans. You know, some of you are just, they don't know what githeri is. So that's my githeri. This is what githeri looks like when it's boiled. Just kidogo for one person. So hata high school hatukuwa hata inakaa poa. High school hatukuwa tunakula venye inakaa. As in high school githeri, mara the maize has not evolved, or the beans has jaiva vizuri. So this one already looks fancy. Let me tell you, this one already looks fancy. Guys, so I've added some water. Now I have to wait even for the water to go down, because a lot, because I don't like my supu hivi. So yeah, let's wait for that. So guys, tukingojanga githeri ive, I'm going to wash the rice. Yeah, I think I'm going to cook the rice off camera, because today's video is not about cook with me or whatever. No, today I'm just showing you guys the first time actually making githeri for myself, and I want to see how it tastes. If it tastes vizuri, of course I know I'm a good cook. But anyway, I know that I'm a good cook, so of course tatokea vizuri. Guys, that's how my githeri is looking. Delicious. So yeah, that's how it's looking. I can't wait. Can't wait to eat. The rice is getting ready, so yeah, this is my githeri, guys. Looks good. Let's see. When I serve and I eat, I'm sure I'll enjoy for sure. So fam, that concludes my video. We come to the end of cooking my githeri with me. So guys, I haven't really eaten it yet, so but I want to finish the video right here. I want to serve. Actually, I'm waiting for the rice to be even. So as I wait for the rice to, even guy, nasikia na sweat guy. Hey, it's fun. Hey, but today it's been sunny. Today and yesterday it's been sunny in Nairobi. I don't know. Is your place sunny or cold? Because where nowadays, Aujui, the weather has moods. Mara it's cold, Mara it's hot. But I guess I've become hot because ya kupika pika. But anyway guys, that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Like I always say, I love you guys so very much. Please don't forget to hit that like button and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit that red button right there and subscribe, and let's be a family. Okay, so guys, until my next video, I love you guys always. Thank you always for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.